Are you in your 40s and worried about retirement? It's never too late to start planning. Many start thinking about retirement in their 40s. You might feel overwhelmed about where to begin. Let's break down the process step by step. First, assess your current financial situation. Take a close look at your savings and investments. Understand your income and expenses clearly. Next, define your retirement goals. Think about when you want to retire. Visualize your lifestyle and the experiences you want. After that, create a budget for your retirement. Estimate how much money you'll need annually. This budget helps you calculate your savings goal. Now, let's talk about investing wisely. Consider increasing contributions to retirement accounts. Explore diversified investment options for growth. Real estate or stocks can provide long-term benefits. Revisit your investment strategy often. Adjust based on market trends and personal goals. As you get closer to retirement, focus on risk management. Minimize high-risk investments for stability as you approach retirement. Also, review Social Security benefits. Know how and when to claim your benefits. Understanding healthcare costs is crucial too. Plan for medical expenses during retirement years. All these strategies lead to one goal: financial security. If they seem overwhelming, don't worry. Many financial advisors can guide your planning. Use their expertise to make informed decisions. Now, imagine your retirement life free of stress. Picture traveling, spending time with family, and pursuing hobbies. Planning ensures you can enjoy these moments. In a nutshell, assess your finances, define goals, and invest wisely. Adjust your plans based on changing circumstances. Above all, never hesitate to seek professional help. Ready to take control of your retirement? Start planning today for a secure future. Like, subscribe, and share for more financial tips. Are you in your 40s and concerned about retirement? It's never too late to start planning, even if you feel overwhelmed about where to begin. Let's break down the process into manageable steps. First, assess your current financial situation by closely examining your savings, investments, income, and expenses. Next, define your retirement goals. Think about when you want to retire and visualize the lifestyle and experiences you desire. After establishing your goals, create a budget for retirement. Estimate your annual financial needs to help calculate your savings target. Then, focus on investing wisely by increasing contributions to retirement accounts and exploring diversified investment options like real estate or stocks for long-term benefits. Revisit your investment strategy regularly, adjusting it based on market trends and personal goals. As retirement approaches, prioritize risk management by minimizing high-risk investments for greater stability. Review your Social Security benefits and understand how and when to claim them. It's also essential to plan for healthcare costs during retirement. All these strategies aim towards a single objective: financial security. If it feels overwhelming, remember that many financial advisors can help guide your planning. Utilize their expertise to make informed decisions. Imagine your retirement free of stress, filled with travel, family time, and pursuing hobbies. Planning allows you to enjoy those moments fully. In summary, assess your finances, define your goals, invest wisely, and adjust your plans as needed. Don't hesitate to seek professional assistance. Ready to take control of your retirement? Start planning today for a secure future. If you are in your 40s and concerned about retirement, it's essential to start planning now, even if the process seems daunting. Begin by assessing your current financial situation, which includes a detailed examination of your savings, investments, income, and expenses. Next, define your retirement goals by considering when you wish to retire and envisioning the lifestyle and experiences you desire. Once you have established these goals, create a comprehensive budget that estimates your annual financial needs to help determine your savings target. Focus on investing wisely by increasing contributions to retirement accounts and exploring diversified options such as real estate or stocks for long-term benefits. It's important to review and adjust your investment strategy regularly based on market trends and your changing personal goals. As retirement nears, prioritize risk management by minimizing high-risk investments to achieve greater financial stability. Additionally, familiarize yourself with Social Security benefits and the specifics of how and when to claim them, as well as plan for potential healthcare costs during retirement. These strategies collectively aim to ensure your financial security. If the process feels overwhelming, consider seeking guidance from financial advisors to help you navigate your planning effectively. By putting in the effort to plan, you can envision a fulfilling retirement filled with travel, family time, and hobbies. In summary, evaluate your finances, set clear goals, invest strategically, and be open to professional assistance as needed. Start your retirement planning today for a secure future. If you're in your 40s and worried about retirement, it's important to start planning now. Begin by assessing your finances, including savings, investments, income, and expenses. Define your retirement goals, such as when you want to retire and the lifestyle you envision. Create a budget to estimate your annual needs and establish a savings target. Focus on wise investments by increasing contributions to retirement accounts and exploring options like real estate and stocks. Regularly review and adjust your investment strategies based on market trends and personal goals. As retirement approaches, manage risks by minimizing high-risk investments, check your Social Security benefits, and plan for healthcare costs. These steps will lead to financial security. If it feels overwhelming, consider seeking help from financial advisors. Start planning today for a fulfilling and stress-free retirement. Thank you very much for watching, and like and subscribing to my video.